Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are ready. Check that Portrait Mode's icon is present, then close the camera app completely to clear any temporary glitches. Once done, restart your iPhone X using the side and volume button hold until the power slider appears, then power off and back on. This clears minor software hiccups and reloads camera services. Make sure to reopen camera and attempt portrait again. If the icon remains grayed out, don't panic, we'll move to deeper settings next. Now you'll handle the intermediate fixes that often resolve portrait issues. First, toggle live photos off because it can restrict portrait mode. Also check portrait lighting settings for compatibility. Next, physically inspect and gently clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Smudges can confuse depth sensors. Then make sure your iOS is current by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Updates often include camera fixes. Once updated and clean, reopen camera and test portrait. If still failing, proceed to reset options. Finish by resetting only system settings if previous steps failed. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then reset all settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigurations affecting the camera. After the reset, position your subject about 1 to 2 meters away in good light and try portrait again, because depth mapping needs space and contrast. If it still fails, test a reputable third-party camera app to isolate hardware versus software issues. And if problems persist, contact Apple support or visit a service provider for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.